Adding AIP is surprisingly simple. In the workshop editor, you add a new widget. Pick AIP Agent from the component library and link it to the Property Manager Assistant agent we built in Lesson 12. Then you configure the query context. So when an operator clicks on a specific property, the agent automatically knows which property they are asking about. It shows up as a chat panel right on the dashboard with full ontology access. Let's watch the whole thing in action. Time 0. Tenant submits a work order. No hot water in Unit 204. 1/10 of a second later, Foundry detects the new object. 2/10 of a second, the automate trigger fires and calls the AIP logic classifier. Half a second in, the LLM comes back with emergency. 0.6 seconds, the priority field is updated. 0.8 seconds, the ops team gets the notification. Submission to notification under 1 second. That's the power of connecting all these pieces together. Here's what makes AIP logic special. It doesn't just do keywords matching. It understands context. For example, no hot water in 204, the LLM recognized that's a health and safety issue, so emergency. Faucet dripping, wasting water. It mentions water too, but the LLM knows that's ongoing, not critical, so standard. Cosmetic wall crack in bedroom. No immediate impact, so low. AC stopped working in July heat. Comfort critical in summer, so urgent. A simple key system would flag everything with water the same way. The LLM gets the nuance. Let's zoom out. In 13 lessons, look at what you've built. Lesson 2, you uploaded raw data. Lesson 4, you built pipelines to transform it. Lessons 5 through 7, you modeled it as an ontology. Lessons 8 through 10, you operationalized it in workshop. Lessons 11 and 12, you deployed AIP agents. And now in lesson 13, automate and AIP logic make the whole thing autonomous. You're not just building dashboard anymore, you're building self-healing operational systems. Finish your homework for lesson 13 and mark complete. I'll see you in the next lesson.